As you ease into lockpicking, you might find yourself with constant hand fatigue. One way to alleviate this fatigue is to use a vice grip or lock mount that will hold the lock for you. This will allow you to gently apply tension without having to alter the amount of pressure applied on individual fingers. It can also allow you to view the pins more easily as they move up and down within the lock. This can help you if you get stuck or are having a difficult time seeing them when you are holding the lock in your hand. Another reason to have a lock mount is if you are going to start filming your picking sessions, as it provides a more clear and stable image of the lock during the picking process. You can also play with more hand placements that might be comfortable for real-world experience if you are training to be a locksmith. Of course, our pinning tray is among the lightest and most portable ways to mount your lock if you are on the go and want something to pick with. The only problem is that if you don't secure it, it can slide during tensioning. So we wanted to show you a clever way to make the lock mount and pinning tray more secure when picking. We chose wall mounting tape because it doesn't leave a sticky residue behind and can be easily applied to the bottom of the tray. If you were to mount the tray on the edge of your desk, it would allow more flexibility in the picking angle while holding it secure. If you want links to anything in this video, please check out the description. Otherwise, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.